Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something special for all you car audio enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the JVC carbon monosulfide J620 300W 6.5 coaxial car speakers, a fantastic choice for upgrading your car's sound system. Stick around because we're going to explore all the features and performance aspects of these speakers in this in-depth review. But before we dive into the details, let me tell you right off the bat that the JVC carbon monosulfide J620 is, in our opinion, the best car audio speaker available on the market today. Why, you ask? Well, let's find out. First and foremost, these speakers come from a reputable brand, JVC, known for delivering quality audio products. The carbon monosulfide J620 boasts a peak power handling of 300 watts per pair, with an RMS rating of 30 watts per speaker, making them capable of producing impressive sound quality. One standout feature is the mica cone woofer, which delivers clear and precise mid-range and low-end frequencies. These speakers also incorporate a 1-polyether imide balanced dome tweeter that handles the high frequencies exceptionally well, providing a balanced and immersive audio experience. Now, let's talk about build quality. The JVC carbon monosulfide J620 speakers are designed with a steel-stamped frame, ensuring durability and longevity. They come with a hybrid rubber and cloth surround, which contributes to their excellent sound reproduction. Plus, the black ABS composite grills not only protect the speakers but also look great. Installing these speakers is a breeze. JVC has engineered them with a shallow mount design, making them compatible with most car doors without any modifications. They even include speaker wire extension cables with quick disconnects, as well as mounting screws and tabs, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. Now, the most crucial aspect of any speaker is the sound quality, right? Well, the JVC carbon monosulfide J620 doesn't disappoint. They offer a frequency response range of 35–22,000 Hz, providing a broad spectrum of sound. The result? Crystal clear vocals, punchy bass, and impressive mids and highs. Don't just take our word for it. These speakers have garnered excellent user reviews as well. Customers have praised their value for money, ease of installation, and overall performance. Some have even compared them favorably to more expensive options. In conclusion, the JVC carbon monosulfide J620 300W 6.5 coaxial car speakers are, without a doubt, the best car audio speakers you can get your hands on. With a combination of affordability, durability, and exceptional sound quality, they're a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their car's audio system. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in getting the JVC carbon monosulfide J620 for yourself, we've included the Amazon link in the video description below. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.